So Mette, can you tell me a little bit about what does a good change process look like in a company?
The first thing is to make sure you have a good strategy for change. What is your strategy for change? That's based upon, of course, the needs. Why do you want to change? Where I come in, that's usually when we're talking about making sure that your change strategy, your change plan, that of course is an excellent plan, that also is implemented and will make a difference. That you're actually changing what you want to change. Now, in change, what's often happening is that we're forgetting about the people who are involved. And the people side of change is essential. If you are not going to make sure that your people are going to change their ways, your investment into the change transformation process might be lost. Your change might be a failure. It is about making sure that you also have your people on board. And how do you get your people on board? With the right leadership.